Welcome to my small shop. Today we're going to talk about the central piece in this space, and that of course is the workbench. But before I show it to you, and I'm going to show it to you in great detail and show you all the bells and whistles about it. It isn't that much, but there are some, and some of them are actually unintentional. But more about that later. First of all, I'm going to fix the wobbliness of it. It's a little bit wobbly sidewise. It's dead sturdy lengthwise. And the second thing is I'm going to touch up the surface, the work surface. Because I must admit, I'm not being so careful about it. It is, after all, a work table, not a dining table. Well, that actually worked. The next task is to clean up this surface. Well, here it is. The worktop is 60 centimeters wide and 120 centimeters long. That's 2 feet by 4 in freedom units. The workbench is made up of 3 layers. There's MDF in the bottom, sort of a torsion box system, and 2 layers of softwood laminates on top. I bought a Sjöberg Smartvice on a Black Friday sale and incorporated it into the bench top. The base is made out of furniture grade pine. All the boards are 88 mm wide and 44 mm thick, and all the joinery is constructional half laps. The base holds a couple of boxes. The first box holds all my small clamps and some other clamping stuff. The second box houses all my corded power tools. My Bosch sander, my Bosch planer, my rapid hot glue gun, my Stanley small pin nail gun, and last but not least my Festool sander. An electrical outlet hangs from the ceiling right above my bench. One obvious feature of a workbench is to be able to hold down a piece of material while you work on it. I've got 2 basic ways of doing that. First, I've got the Sjöberg vise. And secondly, I got these bench clamps. This gives me a variety of options that haven't failed me yet. I know I said that the top is 2 feet by 4, but that's not really true. When I glued on the second sheet, it was a little bit longer than the first, and I figured I cut it down after the glue up. but I had the brains not to cut it flush. Now that gives me other easy clamping options. Another happy incident is my version of a dead man. Some random sticks of OSB just ended up in the voids that the torsion box creates, and now they turned out to be a really handy feature. Thanks for watching. I wish you all great success with your own projects, and I hope to see you another time.